Hi, I'm jheimbuck, the product manager for the testing group in the Verify stage GitLab. Today, as always, I'm joined by Hayana, the UX designer on the team. Today, we'll be previewing some of the work the team's going to be doing in the upcoming 1310 milestone. You can find a link to the 1310 kickoff page with links to these items and the Verify stage direction page with the discussion of our future work in the comments below the video. You can always reach me at jheimbuck@gitlab.com or through comments on these issues or any issues with the group testing label in the GitLab project. Today, on my screen, I'm sharing our planning issue for 1310. So in this milestone, the theme that we're kind of focusing in on is around UX improvements to some of the features, including the group test coverage page and some merge request widgets. And Hayana's going to talk through those. And then resurfacing some errors from the JUnit XML parsing that regressed at some point as we've been working on that project. So with that, I'm going to hand it over to Hayana, who's going to talk through the usability stuff.
Yes. Let me start sharing my screen so you can see the items we're going to be tackling on this milestone. There you go. So one of the sub-themes that stood out during the UX research efforts around the system visibility scale was visibility of system status, which is potentially impacting usability the most today in our product. And this addresses providing users with additional information to let them know what's going on in the application. So as part of our UX OKRs for Q3, we're going to work on issues that will make easier for users to understand the state of the system status when it comes to the testing capabilities. So this milestone in particular, we're going to be working on de-emphasizing the test results icons for the merge request widget. So this issue in particular, it's about making some of these icons here less prominent on the UI so that users can consume the information easily. Because today it's difficult for users to know what text and the difference, and they just don't really pay a lot of attention on the context of the copy, but they just look at the green icons. And the next item is sorting metric reports when there are large numbers of merge request metrics, so that the report is easier to read. So this also talks about consuming that information, finding what's the status and what's the most important when it comes to testing. And you can see the other issues that we are tracking related to these specific AR that tackle visibility of system status for testing. So we are collecting everything in this epic to stay organized. So back to you, James, so you can continue the conversation.
Thanks, Hayana. I love those improvements because that merge request widget, the test summary, is getting just unusable, especially in the GitLab project with hundreds of thousands of tests being run in every pipeline. So that'll be a great improvement for us. So as always, we welcome feedback through discussion in these issues. This video, or you can always email me at jheimbuck@gitlab.com about these or any other issues in the testing backlog. Thanks.